Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I would appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So I bought something new. So I've actually bought a silage knife. No, not this type of knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Now this is a knife, as Mick Dundee says. So this is a Quicke Silosplit. You take that off. There's a big knife there. To put it on a big bale, right back and forth, and slice down through a big bale to split in half, then so you can carry off little bits to sheep pens easily, then, or maybe silage bales, cut it in half to push it either side for cows, you know. So so it's on marketplace, and it doesn't have any brackets, so making some bolt-on brackets for it. Okay, so I've got these Quicke sort of universal, you know, the old type loaders that put pins through then. See, bolt onto frame, and Quicke like to have basically kept the implements basically the same then, so we could bolt on any brackets I wanted. So I've got these now, doing nothing, and a lot of holes in them. I think we fit a bit of everything, you know, David Brown, etc. So I'll chop them off right there, have a bit of gap there for the bolts to stick through, and I'll plate it up and put the number 3 brackets on. So I'm going to do it bolt on tidy. If it happens not to suit our system, I can unbolt them and weld some Euro 8 on. So I'm using a pair of brackets that came off post knocker for. You see, it's cracked right through a hole, and it's been pleated up and, well, badly welded, and cracked again. That's not, I'm not going to bother to repair it. There's not much meat there. Like if it had just cracked across the bottom there, you know, there's a tiny bit of weld each side, but it's quite thin around the hole anyway. So I'm making, this is actually a bit bigger than, see, it's about ½ inch bigger. Bit of plate now. I'm gonna make a new one and cut this off and weld it up. The other one then, you know, the repair is in good condition. It's just this side that's gone in. So I'll use this up now and for that job. Okay, but here's a homemade one of 2 then, only a couple left. So you have to leave it quite a bit. We have to heat it up and use a bender to bend it, but you have to leave quite a bit for a bender to actually grab it to push it down. And we cut off, say, an angle about there, and have this much then to weld at the top here from the frame down to reinforce this bending. So it's there's no actual waste then. So I've got one all cleaned up and tacked in place. So some 90mm flat fitted just tidy on it, and I've cut halfway through there so I can actually bend it down to meet here. So it just misses the hole inside there. See, I slacken this out. Well, the frame sticks out more on these then, so these are probably just drove in this way or safe then. Not sure. So I've tacked it all up. Just need to get at it and weld it up. I need to do the other one as well then, grind it, you know, clean it up and do a flat bar ready, then I can just weld both of them together then. Okay. So I used the gouge feature of plasma then, just to burn off. It's very flat to me. Just take a grinder now and smooth this off. And I just took a chunk of that. I'll smooth it off with grinder as well. So weld that on. And I try to gouge this one, but the welding goes a bit too, I don't want to cut too much into this. So take a grinder and just cut a bit extra then. So I ended up filling up a hole at the top here so I could get a good weld right, hole was there. Get a good weld right there because the pressure is on the top there. Welded up, left this for drainage and because of big weld here anyway. So I pleated bottom so water can actually drain out there. I've welded the eye on the other one. I've left it longer, doesn't matter up here, and it'll make it stronger for welding. So I'm cutting 2 bits of thick steel to put here to reinforce this. I'll put that against it to see where this comes up and down, and I'll weld this on well, weld over two of them, and go coat paint, and we'll be done then. Here we are, all painted up now as well then. So I painted the little clamps that went along them. Oh, fourth one's here, can't see it because it's quite dark. So yeah, finished it off. Leave them to dry now for tomorrow, and I'll bolt them on. Can paint it black again, you know, just put some red oxide. Well, most of all, so it was in here and there where it actually touches the frame, so just paint outside black, you know. Okay, made that little bracket for a tank as well. So, thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.